new package. I literally had no idea what this was until I saw the label on the box. And what's crazy is because I just ordered this like a few days ago and it said it was going to be like 6 to 8 weeks. And here it is like a few days later. So I'm just blown away that it was this fast. But new package from Klein Tools. This is from the Klein Tools Tradesman Club. So I earned all these points for free just by doing simple things online. Anyone can do this. It's free for anybody. You can get free prizes. I've been doing this for years. I've gotten the laser tape measure, coasters, bottle openers, just tons of different things. So today what I redeemed was this 4-pack, I think. It's the 4-pack, yeah. It is the 4-pack zipper bag. So these are always handy to have. My old ones are kind of nasty a little bit, but I didn't have these colors, so I got brown, black, gray, and red. So these are really nice. I'll probably open those soon, probably not right now. And then the other thing that I got, which I don't have yet, is the folding cable skinning utility knife. So this looks pretty cool. I'll probably just use this like for opening mail or something. But I can go ahead and open this guy. It's got a nice clip on the back, so that's sick. So this was 200 points, and I think this was 250 or 400 points. I can't remember, but just, I don't know how long it took me, several months probably, but just a few simple tasks, and then you get these things for free. So very cool. I've always appreciated this. So let's see if I can go ahead and open this real quick. All right, I got it. Sweet. So it's got a nice sharp tip. Looks like it's like extra burnt on the end for like extra strength. But I'm assuming it's like the other one where you push this down and then it folds. And then this one isn't assisted. Some of them are assisted. Like these ones aren't assisted at all. But it's the same concept as the other knives, but very cool. And this is just for skinning, like stripping wire and stuff like that, I believe. So very cool. Looks extremely sharp, and I do not want to cut myself, so gonna be a nice little letter opener or a nice little pocket knife or something to keep in your pocket or on your belt or something like that. So very cool, and can't wait to break these bad boys in. So that is the video for today. All right guys, after I ended the video, I realized there's a crack across this, damage from shipping it, I believe, because just rolling it out of the package wasn't going to do that. So I'm sure they'll send me a new one. I'll just have to email them, so stay tuned on that one. But there is a crack going across the top and the bottom right there. So like a little bit more, this whole piece is going to just fall off. So other than that, pretty solid. I mean, it would be better if this whole thing was just metal, the orange. Looks like there's another, might be another crack in here. I don't know, but yeah, plastic, not so much. This metal never done me wrong. So anyways, just thought I'd give you guys the honest truth here. So hope I can get a new one. But anyways, it was free, but still it sucks that something's brand new and damaged. But that's the update. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. See you guys in the next one. Big things coming.